Hello, for this video, this is the color of yarn I use. A 2 color of this one and a 15 centimeter wire for the stem. And I use a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook for this. So now let's go ahead and I will show you how to make this. First, make a slip knot. Then chain of 18. And then once you have 18 chain, slip stitch second chain from the hook. Then chain 2, slip stitch under, and then slip stitch in the next chain stitch. And then now chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch second chain from the hook, chain 2, slip stitch under, then slip stitch next. Repeat a chain of 2, slip stitch under, and slip stitch next. Repeat a chain of 2, slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the next. And then slip stitch 2 into this stem chain, 1 and 2. Then next is chain of 6, and then do the same, slip stitch second chain from the hook, chain of 2, slip stitch under, and then slip stitch next. Chain 2, slip stitch under, slip stitch next, and then chain 2. Under, slip stitch in the next. And then slip stitch 2 into the stem chain. Then chain 8. Okay, so this is very easy. You just need to do chain 5 here, chain 4, chain 8, and then chain 9. Okay, then once you made it to the last, you can now then slip stitch 3. And then chain 1, and then now insert your hook in the other side of the loop, right in here, and then take your 15 centimeter wire facing like this, including the yarn tail, and then make a single crochet. So like this, and then single crochet into the next loop. Okay, you will see the loop on the other side. And then in the next loop, Okay, and then continue doing that until to the top, and you should have a single crochet of 17. This is what look like after the single crochet of 17. And then chain 1, slip stitch in this side loop right here, slip stitch, and then slip stitch into the next stem chain. Okay, it's just you turn around and then slip stitch in here. And then chain 2, slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the next stem chain stitch, and then you just need to repeat again a chain of 5, and just follow along the instruction on this video. Okay, so once you made it to the last slip stitch of 3, chain 1 and cut the yarn, then hide the ends. And then take your glue and place a small amount of glue on the top of the wire, then wait it to dry. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. And also don't forget to like this video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.